Hello again, friends. Welcome to, I think this is week 9 of the program and week 8 of the videos. We have finally got into what I think is the final function for our lending market, which is this liquidate loan. What does this do basically? This means this is our market control. This is the means by which we ensure that the market stays profitable. This is the means by which we regulate defaulting or under collateralized loans, and we make the market work for the liquidity providers. Now, to execute liquidate loan, I'm just going to walk through some of the things that we're going to do. The first thing is we're going to confirm that the loan ID exists. Then we're also going to confirm that the loan is active. Okay. Now we're going to confirm that the loan is under collateralized. Then we're going to confirm, and if the loan is under collateralized, we're going to do we need to get the, no, we don't need to we need to swap the collateral assets for a stable asset, and then we distribute earnings, repay loan, distribute earnings, then emit an event. This is going to be the things that we are going to code in here. Now, many of these things, I think for 1, 2, we can actually write, but we don't have a function to check if a loan is under collateralized. So we have 2 options. We can write the logic within here, or we can write it as a view function. Now, I say write as a view function because it's possible to call this function in a simulation and see if it's going to be successful. And if it's successful, you then call like liquidate. That works. But a much cleaner way is for you to write a view function that checks this. And that view function returns true or false. Now, if that view function is true, we can just call this directly because we know that we run this check within and here, and if this is true, this would pass. Okay, so this under collateralized is the same as can be liquidated. So we're going to fill in this logic. I was going to change this to public. We're going to write the logic for can be liquidated before we write this, and then once we're done with that, we're going to look into swaps, and then I'm going to do an interface for swaps, which I've already prepared to show you, and we integrate that. Okay, so this is an intro video, shows you what we're going to do. Now let's do it. Okay.